hear that fizz? That's carbonation. Soda is carbonated. That's the fizziness that you see. And when you put something into carbonated water, like a straw, or a pipe cleaner, you can see all those bubbles built up on it. That's because anywhere where there's a scratch or a dent, those bubbles attach right up onto and then rise to the top. If we drop a Mento in there, let's see what happens then. That makes a lot of bubbles, doesn't it? What do you think would happen if we dropped a lot of mints into a really big jug of soda? Do you want to go outside and try? I don't know if I want to make that many bubbles in the house. Let's go try. I'm going to open the soda really carefully. And I have a whole roll of mints in my test tube. I'm going to line them up right over the top of the soda. And then I'm going to pull and run really fast. Are you ready? Wow! That made quite an explosion, didn't it? Yes, it did. The prophet Isaiah says, "For unto us a child is born, to us a son is given. The government shall be on his shoulders. His name shall be called Wonderful Counselor, Mighty God, Everlasting Father, Prince of Peace." Do you know who that verse is talking about?
Jesus.
That's right. It's talking about Jesus. Jesus was the Israelites' king. They were asking for an earthly king like the other nations had. But Jesus was already their king. Wonderful Counselor, amazing, mighty Father. He's our king too. That's a big deal, isn't it? Even bigger than any explosion we could make.